I did this one.
I think I've done that one, yeah.
This one is more technical.
I-try natin yun namaya. Yung technical na yun. Dark blue man siya. Ay! Oh! So good!
Those berms are so tight!
Milig na yung tuhod ko puti. Grabe yung table. Grabe ha. Hip hip.
Bilis pa yan.
Ano, Gina po?
Ayan na yung sakyan.
1, 2, 3, see everyone, ride safe. Ride safe guys, ride safe ka. Whee! Yeah boy! Ito wala si Rocky. Yeah boy! Ganda ng verb. Mahaba ba ito? Mahaba? Woo! Dira! Whee! Ang haba bro, no? Ala pa? Ah, lemal. Woo! Yeah boy! Yeah! Para tayo nasa Whistler. Woo! Wow! Woo! Yeah boy! Nanginginig na yung tuhod ko puti. Grabe yung tabletop, puro may kick.
Grabe yung kicker, oh. Antalis. Antulis.
Tabi tayo, baka may ibang rider.
Those berms are so tight!
Nice.
Nice ride.
Grabe. Chill ride.
Grabe.
Bilis mo na wala bro ah.
Uy. Nahabol ko lang yung dalawa. Si ano, mabilis, Rocky?
Si kuya po, umihikap sa likod ko.
Ay.
He's yawning while he's behind me. Oh no. Like, come on man, like press on that bridge. Back even, I didn't see you.
Alright, G, ready?
Alright.
Go. Go. Hi. Hop. So good.
Yeah boy.
Yeah, boy. Sorry. Inaguluhan ako. Basta dumalas yung harap. Ganda nun. Kaya. Oo. Saya.
Hindi mo na iligo yung katawan mo, no?
Nadulas ako dun sa ano? Sa parang stick ba?
Oo, naganyan na ka na. Para ka lang nag-slide eh.
Kung ano pa yung pinakamagandang berm, dun pa na.
You know his wife yesterday? It was really easy for the rock drop. You know the rock drop at the Tara? At the Tara.
No, I don't know Satara that well. What, your wife did it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's better than him. It looks like flat.
Nice.
Next. This is Goraki.
Ayan na, yan, ganyan. Whoop! Uy! Yun, yung mga ganon, yung stick. Nakita mo yung stick kanina, saka yung mga nuts.
Sabi siya, wag ka magpreno ka, hindi? Ang ganda, no?
Death grip ako dun eh.
No gaps, just tabletop.
I'm just gonna roll it, okay, G?
Yeah.
Thanks, G. Bro. Saan? Sorry. No worries. Hindi ko yun na. Kala ko open. Ililigo mo na sana dyan. Grabe ha. Grabe. Enjoy man.